Hello and welcome to PepperAmmy's Taffy recipe. Now to make this we will need 200 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 120 ml of water, half a teaspoon of flavouring of your choice, 2 drops of food colouring of your choice, 145 grams of light corn syrup. I used glucose syrup as I live in Denmark and I can't find corn syrup anywhere at all. Now this is a very simple recipe. Add everything apart from the colouring into the saucepan and whisk to combine, and then heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees C or firm ball stage on a candy thermometer if you're using one of those. But be careful because the sugar will hold heat for longer than expected and continue to rise past the temperature you removed it from the heat. I actually found this out the hard way, and my first batch actually turned into hard candies rather than soft taffies. Once the mix is up to temperature, pour into a greased heat-proof tray or dish and let cool for around 5 to 10 minutes or until you can handle and stretch it out without burning yourself. Now you want to pull the mixture to around 30 centimeters and fold it back on itself. I did this in 2 batches to make it a lot easier to handle, but keep pulling and folding for around 10 minutes and the taffy should lighten and become opaque. As you can see, I used red colour, but due to the pulling it became more of a pink in the end product, so take that into note when you are actually choosing your colours. Now you can cut your taffy into bite-sized pieces and store it in single pieces of wax paper or some sort of like confectionery paper, or you can do like I did. I cut mine into bite-sized pieces and covered it in icing sugar and then stored it in an airtight container. If you don't store it in an airtight container, it will stick to itself and just become one solid lump. So once again, take that into note and be prepared to have something to wrap this up and store it in after it is cooked. But anyway, this video was a little bit delayed this week as Arthur's decided to break my headphones, so I've been trying to get used to my new headphones because everything sounds a lot different, so editing and stuff sounds weirder. But anyway, new set of headphones now, a lot more robust hopefully, and hopefully Arthur's has learnt his lesson not to charge while he's got my headphones wrapped around him, because they did have like a 3-meter cable on them. But anyway, that is that for this week, and I shall hopefully catch you next week. Or if you're using a firm ball, or but I use glue. Once the temperature is up to 200. No,